Hi guys, this is Sop Mimar here, and firstly let me give you a big thank you for watching this video, for watching FOMO review. And this thank you is for giving your valuable time, giving your precious time to watch this video. Okay, so let me start with this product now. So in this video I'll give you a walkover of this product. This is named as FOMO. This is also named as FOMO app or FOMO software. So after I came to know about this product, I just searched inside Google that what is the full form of FOMO. So full form of FOMO is fears of missing out. And inside this product, like the steps will be like that you can engage your customer or engage your visitors inside your website to reduce the bounce rate or to get a high conversion. So inside this video I'll clear you everything, but let me clear you one thing previously, that huge valuable bonuses will be given to you from my website once you have purchased the product from my website. Okay, like good bonuses like new softwares, 5 softwares, and also all other stuffs will be given to you, but I'll clear you the bonus part quite later, a bit later. Okay, but let me now start with the product now. So inside this product there are two inside dashboard. It is very simple dashboard. So you should have start with install script. Once you have clicked on this, it will show you a code, and you have to copy it. Once I have copied it, you have to put here inside HTML code inside your header section. I am using the WordPress and Elementor. Inside Elementor I will put it. Okay, so it is taking time to open the Elementor. So let me put here HTML code, any HTML. So I put here HTML code and I have pasted it. Okay, now let me click on the update. Sorry, it is taking a bit time, and I am saving it as a draft. Okay, so now let me click here the check activity option. Okay, once I have clicked here check activity option, so inside it it is showing me my website. Okay, it is just instantly done, you can see here. Okay, so it is showing that my website is integrated now. So let me click on dashboard now. So inside dashboard let me click on create campaign. So inside create campaign I can put here any name. Let me put here and I have to put my website domain. Okay, let me put here, let me click on this and let me take the link here. Okay, so let me put here the link here and let me click on submit. So once I have clicked on submit, it is showing me the status that my campaign is activated, and let me now click on this campaign. Okay, so inside the campaign, and now let me click on create notification. So inside create notification it is giving only one thing, the informational bar. Okay, so apart from this option there will be so many much more option. I will show you the option inside this demo version. Inside I have talked with the owner via email, and he just gave me the demo version to show you. Okay, so basically inside the demo version this only one option is showing here, but there will be so many more options. Let me now for the video purpose let me just show you the informational bar. So inside informational bar let me click on create. So I have to put any name. Let me put here also one time for once. Okay, so inside here now I have to put my information here. Okay, let me put here any limited sale or something like that, that will be informational thing. Okay, like limited sale, sorry, and like you can put here your description, grab it now, and you can put here your image URL or notification URL and just click on update. Okay, once I have clicked on update, it is now showing me my notification is now live. Okay, so it will be showing like this stuff like limited sale, grab it now or something like that. Let me now show it if it is working or not. Okay, so I have clicked here, so it is not working. Why it is not working? Maybe. Okay, so sorry, let me click on update. So it should work. I don't know why it is not. Oh, sorry, I have not activated it. So I have activated it. Now let me show you if it is working or not. So So you can see it is working now, and it is showing on the top section. Now you can change the sections from here. There will be more option like customize. From the customize section you can check out all of the stuffs like color, like border, like pattern, like from where you want to display position, top, bottom, top floating, bottom floating, and something like that. So apart from the so this was the overview of this tool. So apart from this option, there is also so many more options inside this tool. Okay, let me show you the options. So apart from the informational bar, this software provides you coupon code. Okay, so that will be floating inside your website if you activated it. And the new product, if you are launching any new product or you want to advertise for other products, okay, like flash sale, like this is also an information thing. And this is the pop-up review section, also the emoji feedback, like, and also conversion counter, like how much people are buying your thing or how much people are converted. So the next one is active visitors. So how many visitors are activated on your website now, and lead pop-up, someone purchased from that place or this place. Okay, and the cookies pop-up, and also coupon bar notification, and also like bar banners and image notification, and also social sharing. This is very common thing. And this was the tool. And let me now show you my bonuses and all other stuffs like ratings and all other stuffs. Okay, so the inside ratings, it has got inside feature and facilities 99, as I have already showed you. Just now I have showed you that stuffs, what are the stuffs it is giving. And inside performance, it is 99, and I have already showed you that how fast it is working. So inside ease of use, it has got 95%. It is very easy to use also, and value for money 97, market hit 98. So overall it has got 9.8 out of 10, which is an outstanding performance. And I never consider market hit inside 90 inside this overall. So this is the pricings of this product. So there are two pricings, $17 and 45 cents, and also $27 45 cents for unlimited, for light. And they are giving you also 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee. And this is the launch period. Most importantly, you should check the launch period. After the launch period, the price will be surely rising up or increased. Okay, so from January 27, 10 AM EST, the like New York time, you can purchase this product. Okay, this is the launch period starting, and these are the all features I have already showed you. And you can, for further more details, you can check out this video. Basically I have given you the details already. You can check out if you want to. And in my opinion, this tool is very cheap tool for this type of feature. This is a wrong spelled wrongly, I will write it after the video. And so many different features inside it, and they can give you a high conversion, all of the features. Okay, so these are the sales funnel. You can go through it if you want to from my website, from visiting this page, and from the video description you can visit this page. And I don't want to make the video lengthy, so let me go through now my bonuses now. So inside the bonus one pack, the software pack will be given for first 15 members only. So after 15 members, it will not be given. If you want to get it, you should come first, you should purchase first from my website, because those who are coming first, they should be served first. That is my opinion. And inside this pack, you will be given 5 vital and from all aspects software, the training softwares. Okay, so you can check out the description here. Let me give you a brief or short description. So inside affiliate sales engine, you can increase your affiliate sale. Okay, so inside viral suite, you can use it as a viral stuffs like WordPress plugin it is, and it will help you to viral your images, getting viral your images or audio, video or something like that. And inside backlink warrior, it will help you to do your SEO like backlinking. Okay, inside PowerList Pro, you will be helped inside email marketing. And inside email list secrets, it is a video tutorial, and you can check out to know more about email marketing. Okay, so inside bonus 2 pack, you will be given 4 live case studies, and that will be really totally live and on-screen case studies, and that can help you to grow more online, how you can grow online. Okay, so if you purchase any upsell from my website, as the upsells are costlier, you will be given something more valuable. So like more softwares will be given to you, plugins, high quality graphics, doodle images, miscellaneous product with resell rights, like 100 products, miscellaneous product, you can sell them. And also like more than 200 softwares, and all of the steps will be given to you totally free. if you purchase this product from my website. So after purchasing the product, you should go through your Warrior Plus purchase history option. From that option you will be given this blue button. This exact blue button will show you the way of my link, or will show you the directly my link. Okay, so from that link you can download my bonuses. So this is the only way to get the bonuses after purchasing the product. So I think I have covered up the product, and also I have covered up my bonuses also. So I am signing out for the video. I am wrapping up the video. So bye bye.